Welcome back to a different type of video. We are 450 kilometres north of Christchurch in the heart of the Marlborough Sounds, about to hop into a barge and head over to Durville Island, the third biggest island in New Zealand. We will explore all of the roads and tracks the island has to offer, with absolutely stunning scenery, with our goal to get to the northernmost point of the island, on a private farm. This video is sponsored by Powersports NZ, an aftermarket and OEM parts and gear shop for dirt bikes, adventure bikes and UTVs. Be sure to check out their Facebook shop in the description below. Enjoy the footage. There are 7 of us riding today, with me on a 350, a 500, 690, T7, 790 and the big 1090. We are now heading on the French Pass Road, which connects the last shop at our Kiwi Bay to French Pass, which will take over an hour in the car. We are overlooking a treacherous whirlpool which has claimed many lives and ships over the years. This is due to the tidal differences on either side of the pass. We have arrived at French Pass. We will cross over to the island on a barge. This is the only way to get vehicle access onto the island. We have now set foot on Durville Island, and we will head north towards Patuki Station. Welcome back to another video. We are currently in the middle of Durville Island, way up past French Pass, or across French Pass, and we're going all the way up to the northern tip of the island. Probably about 2 hours away from Kiwi Bay, maybe 3 or 4 hours away from Nelson, and probably about 9 or 10 hours away from Christchurch where we started. So it's been a very interesting journey, but yeah, it's been lots of fun. The weather was supposedly pretty bad, but it's panned out pretty well. Yeah, so looking forward to the rest of the ride. Beautiful over here. French Pass, that one there, and we're going right to the top over there. Super road, absolutely stunning.
G'day.
We have now arrived at Patuhi Station, where we have been given access to the northern end of the island. The wind has picked up significantly and is probably over 70 km an hour gusts. I barely made it around this corner. It is very hard to turn into the wind. Martin and Pavlina stopped for a photo and got pushed over. As you can hear, it is absolutely howling. Crazy! Almost got.
When did he just stop and...
Yeah, yeah, just straight into the side of you, eh? Great, yeah. Far out.
Far out.
We have made it to the top of the island, something we've wanted to do for a very long time. We are standing on Cape Stephens, overlooking Stephens Island, which actually has a lighthouse on it and was manned until the late 1980s. At this point, we're parallel to Levin in the North Island. This is an awesome ride and it was incredibly scenic, and if we picked a slightly better day it would be even more spectacular. Please note that the end of this ride was on private farmland. Thanks to Powersports NZ for sponsoring the video. See you in the next one.